Hello folks, welcome back in another video. In this video we're gonna be unboxing this 30 kilograms haul from CNFans. I shipped the packages via the DHL and it took only like 12 days to get arrived to me. I paid for 30 kilograms only $200 US. If you want to get such great deals, check out the link down in the description and sign up with my code to the CNFans. So starting off, let's unbox this first package and then we're gonna go and unbox the other one. Alright, so here it is, our first beautiful package. Let's get this thing unboxed. Here we've got a bunch of different things, and as you can see we've got a letter from the CNFans. Thank you. Your faith and our services made our days. We hope this package makes yours. And yeah, we've got here some thanks coupons. You've got 10% off. If you want to use it, you can use it. So let's begin by unboxing maybe this one. And as you can see here we've got our basic polo zip up hoodie in a gray color. So let's begin unboxing this. Let's see how it all looks like. This one is obviously 100% cotton, no polyester, no such things. It's all a very nice material, very nice cotton material. And it says Polo Ralph Polo Lauren in here. And here you also have the QR code, so it all looks just as it should. Here we've got some labels, and this one is a Chinese label, but this one is not. Being honest with you, this hoodie looks very nice. I love the details. You've got the horse here on the zip up here, so it's all looking very nice. Let's wear it now. Let's see how it all looks like. So this is how it all looks on me. As you can tell, this hoodie fits quite okay. It's quite slim fit. Obviously, if you are a fat person, you won't really fit in. I recommend you to get like the size up if you are a bit of a fat person. I'm not, so I fit in quite well. You've got a logo, you've got the nice zipper. One downside is that you've got the knits coming out of here, so yeah, I think you have to consider, but you know, this is how you deal with it. It's done. So yeah, it is a nice hoodie. It is an expensive hoodie. I paid only like $20 US for that. Very good price. On to the next item. Continuing, here we also have our Birkenstocks. So in the past I also have unboxed a lot of Birkenstocks, and this time I also ordered another pair. This is how it is looking. As you can see, this is the most basic or the most popular Birkenstock color, the taupe color. You know, the finish of such boots is quite well. They're very comfortable, and you've got this thing profile, so everything looks okay. This is the real leather and this is the real cork, so it all looks very nice as it should be looking. This is Golden Touch, true metal, and you also have the Birkenstock signature here. Obviously all the links are available in the description, check them out. Let's see also what's in this Birkenstock box. This is also the top color. Let's take a look. So yeah, this is the same color, exactly the same shoe. I'm not going to bore you with that. Let's see the next items. In here we've got some t-shirts, and this one is a 100% cotton $3 US Lacoste t-shirt, the white one. As you heard, it only cost me $3, so it was so inexpensive. And honestly, this logo is quite big. I'm not so sure if they have unveiled such t-shirts with such big logos. But other than that, this one is looking very well. Here you also have the label saying that it's also the 100% cotton, so you've got a proof. And yeah, the Lacoste logo here. Alright, so this is how it all looks like on me. It's the size M, but I can tell that if you are going to buy that, please buy the size up because it's quite small. Get at least like one size up. Other than that, the materials are looking fine. I love the materials, it's 100% cotton. And you know, the price of like $3, just nothing, so if you want to get a good t-shirt, it's not a bad deal. Continuing, here we also have the t-shirt. The same story, also the Lacoste, but this time in the size also M. This one is the navy blue color. This is how the label looks like, and the same story. This t-shirt is not bad. Only if you are going to buy this, please go for like one size up, maybe even two, because it's quite small, to be honest. It's like this Asian size. Okay, so this time this t-shirt is a little bit bigger. It's also the size M, so you know the size is not equal. Sometimes it's bigger, sometimes it's smaller. But you know, as a rule of thumb, I would recommend you to get like one size up at least. Next up here we've got some last Birkenstocks, this time in a different color. Here we have the Birkenstocks in the mint color. Same story as the last one, this is also the leather. A very nice leather, I absolutely love the shoes and they're also very comfortable. And the materials are absolutely superb. Okay, it's time for New Balances. So we've got 3 pairs of New Balances in here. I believe I ordered like 90-60 New Balance. So yeah, as you can see, we've got the 90-60 men's size 43. Let's see what's in it. So here we have the black 90-60 New Balances. They look absolutely glorious. I love how they look like. They look very nice, very trendy, very cool. You've got such a leather type of finish here on the tongue. You've got some sort of a suede, some sort of a glossy material here. So the shoe is looking very nice, and this is how it all presents in the back. If you take a look at the tongue, it also shows you the QR code and the size 43, and the sole presents in this way. So folks, this is how the shoes present. As you can tell, they look quite bulky, quite big, but this is how they are supposed to look like. And you know, I've got to tell you that the materials they are made from are very high quality. And here we also have the New Balances, this time in the size 39.5. The box is a bit damaged, but you know, the shoes look absolutely cool. I really like the blue color of them. This is how they present. This is also the 90-60 of course model. We've got some sort of a suede going across the whole shoes. So with that said, the materials are absolutely nice and beautiful. You also obviously have the QR code and the size in here and the tongue. This all looks this way. Let's try them on. Okay guys, so this is how the New Balances look like. Honestly, they're looking very nice. This is a unusual color of course, but with that said, I mean for the jeans, the blue ones, yeah, I think they're fitting quite well. And the last pair of shoes in this exact package. Also the 90-60, this time size 38.5. Let's take a look. We are in heaven guys. This one is the white color of 90-60, and you know, we've got some sort of a leather-like material. This is the exact type of leather found on the Air Forces Nikes, and you know, this is how the shoes look like. You don't really get a lot of the suede material, it's just more of a fake leather, and the net of course, you've got a lot of net. Let's wear them now, let's see how they fit. Alright folks, so this is how they look like. As you can tell, the white color is quite nice in here in this combination. I really like how they look like. I mean, the 90-60 has its unique design of course, and I think it's really trendy. It all looks nice and beautiful. Great shoes.